This is what you call some good single track here. Oh man, we're gonna go check out that Vomit Hill at some point. That was cool. That was a little incline there. Got to keep a finger on the clutch, because some of this, if you hit it just the right way, you will whiskey throttle all day. Caught something with my peg, tip of my boot. Whoa! I did the same. I didn't pull the clutch in all the way. Caused myself to flame out. You know, I gotta say though, people were complaining about, maybe it was the older KTMs, but mine does not flame out. If I flame it out, it's 100% user error. 100%. And I can ride it slow. It's just right now, I could be standing up here, but I'm not going to. Use my seat. See right there? I'm learning my This is cool though. Tell you what, Theo, you're gonna be probably watching this. Hopefully you watch this. You're doing really good, dude. Really good. I'm impressed now. I told you. The more you ride, man, the better you get at it. It's just the way it is. And this is all new to me, all of this. So I'm hitting all this blind right now. This is the best spot of single track we've hit yet at Fro. Well, best riding spot I've hit here. I've hit a couple. This is definitely the best. Looks like he went straight. I don't know if he turned this way or not. I don't like blasting them anymore. Every time I do, I soak myself. Oh yeah, he went this way. See where your back brake can come in handy when you're going down these hills and you want to turn into something, you hit your brake and you you twist your legs to cut a turn real tight. If you're coming down a hill like that, works really well. This is awesome. Like right here. As long as you don't do what I did. Because I actually fucked up. Jeez. Ooh, that rock. You want to feather the clutch on this. Awesome. Dude, that rock was slick. Yeah. That first rock I hit, man, my bike was like, scoop.
That's where my father-in-law's Steve almost broke his wrist.
So, Jarvis Josh. That's where you want to stand up. Let the bike do its shit. Ping it all around, but you stay upright. Just float your weight. We'll do all this in second gear. Second gear will give you a little bit better traction. Got to give him some room though. It's like being on a roller coaster, dude. A lot of fun. Lots of fun. Yeah, buddy. Now slow down. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, man. Hell yeah, dude. You see what I mean though? If you like sent it hard, because I saw that last minute. If you sent it too hard and fucking went down that, dude, you'd be done ski.